Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. Check this out. OSCAL just sent me their new portable power station. Very well packed. Let's get this thing opened up. Little box there should have all the accessories, power plugs, all that in it. Alright, let me get this foam packing out of here. Oh, it even comes with a cover. Look at this. Very cool. Alright, well, it's out of the box. Let me get this thing set up. OSCAL POWERMAX 6000. There's your 110 volt. It's got a digital screen, USB plugs, 12 volt. I love the wheels and the handle. You can roll these around because these batteries are a little heavy. They do have some weight to it. Right there, you can parallel more of these units together. Get bigger capacity. Screened on both ends for the cooling fans. Okay, on the back here, you got the solar input, little circuit breaker, and then the 110 volt plug to charge it up. There's your fast and slow charge switch, so you can adjust that. I usually use the slow charge setting, and that little button there is your little circuit breaker. Alright, well, let's get her hooked up. Box of goodies. Got a cigarette lighter style plug. Here's the 110 volt. I'm going to hook that up right now, get it charging. Manuals. OSCAL also has an app. And the manual shows you the layout of the digital screen, different cords. Pretty self-explanatory. These portable batteries like this, they are worth their weight in gold. Especially during power outages, they'll keep a fridge running for over a day or longer. Fans, computers, you can cook with them, run appliances. I'll hook up a couple things to it. We're gonna run it. Matter of fact, I'll probably plug the van into it. But there's your whole setup. That's how it looks. Alright, well, let's jump over to the website. I'll show you the website real quick. Alright, here's their website, OSCAL. There's the POWERMAX 6000. It's nice with the wheels, the handle, very portable. A lot of these companies, they'll run specials all the time, so make sure you check their websites. Looks like it's also sold over on Amazon, so always keep your eye out. Look at that, they're paralleling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them together. You can be off-grid, portable, whatever you need, RVing. All right, well, let's test this thing out. So you have 3 120 volt plugs on the front. That twist lock says 120 and 240 volt. I don't have a twist lock plug on the van, so I'll have to use an adapter. There's your cigarette style plug, all 12 volt. So you can run 12 volt appliances, things off this. Then there's all your USB, and it's even got 2 USB-Cs at 100 watts. So you could actually run a laptop off this thing too. Very cool. Okay, it's hard to see. I got it on the slow charge. Slow charge is 1181. I'm trying to get adjusted here so you can see this. Battery's at 71%. So it says 58 minutes on the slow charge to charge up. Let me hold this little black pad behind it, maybe you can see it better. Well, I'm going to plug in a Starlink real quick, the Starlink Mini, then we'll start hooking up different appliances. Alright, got the Mini plugged in. These things only draw like 35 watts now. Pretty darn good. The bigger Starlinks are a huge draw. And the light is on that little button there. Shows your AC power's on. So each circuit has its own on and off. Alright, I rigged this up, this adapter, to plug the van in. It's pretty quiet. You can hear the fans run, cooling as it's charging. Alright, van is plugged in. You can see I got power. All these outlets here are on shore power. So this van is running off that battery. You can hear these batteries are actually charging underneath. Charging batteries with a battery. And let's turn on the computer. So we're all fired up. Yep, see the low lights? That's all 110 volt plugs right here. And let's see, the computer comes on, monitor. Yep, we're good to go. All powered up off that OSCAL. Alright, we got the shop vac out. Huge draw. These motors and these things draw a lot of juice. Okay, we're all on, ready. Let's rock. Here's a Vornado space heater. These things really crank out. These draw, they're a huge draw as well. Usually 1500 watts. I'm turning it up to max. Right there, it's drawing 1287 watts. According to this, I would run it 2 hours non-stop at that pole. See if we can get the fans a kick on the battery. That's pulling it pretty hard. Not bad. So if you had solar panels hooked to this thing, you'd be fine. You'd charge all day, you could pull juice off of it all night long in an off-grid setup. And the most popular, famous must-have in any RV is a hairdryer. Well, these hair dryers, look at that, 1500 watts is full. Not even touching this battery, this POWERMAX 6000. Alright, click the links down below. Check out OSCAL. They run specials. Check out their website. Look for them on Amazon. Great low setup. Love the wheels, the handle, very portable, very easy to use and store around your house, RV, you name it. Want to thank OSCAL for sending me this battery. Thanks for watching.